In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Kanban board to your Asana project if you're looking to organize your tasks visually and streamline your workflow. Integrating a Kanban board into Asana is a perfect solution. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through this simple process. First, you'll want to navigate to your specific project in Asana. Once you're in the project, you might notice several different ways to view your tasks, such as list, calendar, or timeline. These options allow you to manage and visualize your work effectively. But today, we're focusing on adding a Kanban board view, one of the most popular ways to visualize project progress. At the top of your project page, you'll see various view tabs laid out. To proceed, go ahead and click on the plus icon found within these view tabs. This action allows you to add a new tab, offering more flexibility in how you choose to manage your project. The plus icon is key here, and it's easily recognizable by its simple, distinct design. Once you click on this icon, a small menu will appear, presenting you with different views you can add. From this menu, you'll want to select Board. Choosing Board here essentially adds the Kanban board feature to your Asana project. Kanban boards are incredibly useful, providing a visual representation of tasks moving through stages, such as To Do, In Progress, and Done, making it easier to oversee progress and prioritize tasks. After selecting Board, you'll see that the Kanban board integrates seamlessly into your existing project. What's great about this setup is that it automatically synchronizes with your main list view. This synchronization ensures that any changes made in the board view are reflected in the list view and vice versa. So, if you add a new task on the board, it will instantly appear in your list, maintaining consistency across all views. This interconnectivity means less time spent managing different views and more time actually working on your tasks. And there you have it. The Kanban board is now ready for you to start organizing your tasks with ease. This addition not only helps in visualizing your work, but also empowers you to adjust your priorities dynamically as your project progresses. Remember to use the board for a clearer representation of your workflow and to enhance team collaboration by making task management transparent and accessible. I hope you found this guide useful and that adding a Kanban board to your Asana project enhances your productivity. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like, comment, or subscribe for more helpful tutorials.